What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today we're about to do a demo slash review. So guys, I'm about to do a demo on the Makeup Revolution bronzer. Makeup Revolution came out with this bronzer and I picked it up at the Boozy shop. If you guys live in Holland, check out the Boozy shop. It's where I pick up this bronzer. I really like it. This is the darker shade in the bronzer. They have two darker one, but this is the darker one. I wanted to pick the other darker one, but I thought nah, let me just give this one a try. So this is the darker one, and this is, you guys can see, this is the name of the bronzer, and this is beautiful. I've shown you guys how this bronzer look. I haven't opened it yet, so you guys can see it's still sealed. So let's open this bad boy. Let me get a scissors. I'm obsessed with bronzer. Maybe I'm going to try this bronzer with the Morphe bronzer, just put them together into test. And guys, I ordered my first Fenty Beauty makeup product and the Huda Beauty makeup product. They're on their way coming. A little bit expensive, but they're on the way coming. I can't wait to try them out because I have been searching for those products. But yeah, now it's all about the Makeup Revolution. Let's give this. So first of all, the packaging is beautiful. I love the packaging. The packaging is so beautiful. It's so nice. And this is what the bronzer at the back. It's give you a little bit of details. Makeup Revolution Pro. And I really love it. So on the side, of course, you still have the Makeup Revolution Pro on the side. I love the packaging. It's really nice. I feel like the packaging with the bronzer, the foundation, the packaging is really nice. It's very classy but cheap. You know, it's cheap makeup but very good makeup, and which I really do like. So when you get the bronzer, you have this beautiful mirror in it. So for example, say you want to use the bronzer to do your makeup, you can actually watch yourself, and it is quite a decent mirror. You can see yourself. The bronzer is pigment. When I say this is dark, this is beautiful. I love the pigment. It's really nice. I'm happy I picked the shade instead of the other one, but this is really nice. I do love it. I really do love it. So you guys, let's give this a swatch, because my swatching game is not good. But you know what, for you guys, I can do anything. So I'm just going to take my finger. Woo! Damn, this is dark. This is like, focus camera. This is dark. So let's just swatch this on the hand. Woo! This is dark, guys. This is dark. This is really dark. Let me get a towel and wipe my hands. Makeup wipe, because you guys know my bedroom, everything in my bedroom is white. Oh, makeup wipe is finished. Use the last one so you guys can see. But for me, swatching something on your skin is not really the deal. It's testing it on your face, because that is where you're going to use it. Sometimes some swatches on the skin, and when you put it on the face, it's totally not the same. So we're going to test this bad boy on the face to see how it works. So I got my contour brush. You guys can see it's clean. There's no product in it. So let's give this bad boy a try. If I'm looking this side, I'm looking at the mirror. I'm going to try my best to look right in the camera, but sometimes I may look this way. I'm looking in the mirror, so please do not get offended. So let's take the bronzer, take my brush. I'm just going, yo, just a little, see what comes. I'm just going to take that and just, okay. This is just a little bit. I'm happy I picked the shade up, because I feel like the other shade would have been too light. Yo, this is, let's just do first half of the face, and then I'll turn around and show you guys what I am talking about. Because yo, this is beautiful. Let's just highlight underneath the cheekbone. You go in like this, go in like this. Yo, you guys see that? You guys see that contour? It is beautiful. I really do like it. Let me guys do this side, because I feel like you guys will see the demo on this side. You guys see how sharp the contour is. I really like it. I didn't put a lot, just a little bit, but you guys see that Do you guys see that? It's just a little bit. I can even go more and make it more darker, but just a little bit. And it blends into my skin very, very softly. I really do like it. Yeah, I do like it. I'm not gonna lie. I love it. I love the fact that you can use bronzer and contour at the same time. That I don't have to bronze and then go and get a contour. No, I can use this as a bronzer and as a contour at the same time. I love that. Just gonna do that on the cheekbone. Just try to get rid of those paprika chips I have been eating. Just cover that, you know, a lot of paprika chips. So it's just beautiful. I really, really do like it. My cheekbone is standing out. The color is nice. I'm just going to take a little bit. I'm just going to make it a little bit intense, okay? Just a little bit. Ooh. Do you guys see that? And it blends so soft. Okay, let's just take the brush and just blend it. Yes. I'm going to do this side also a little bit. Yeah, this is beautiful. Let's see if I can use that same brush to contour my nose. Just whatever is on the product, you know. Oh yeah, you guys can see how dark it is on my nose. When I use it on my nose, it is super, super dark. Okay, I need to go in with my normal brush because it is pretty dark on the nose. Yeah, it is pretty dark on the nose. I'm just gonna take, I like to contour my nose right here, but I love it. I do love it. It is pretty nice. It's pretty beautiful. Oh, the contour on the nose is so dark. This powder is so pigment. It's crazy. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. So now we're going to do a reverse contour just to sharpen that powder out a little bit. I'm just going to take my real Makeup Revolution face setting powder. I'm just gonna take that and just cut in just a little bit. That one was way too much. Okay, I took way too much, guys. Let's wipe that up before it's kind of just stay there and give me that white line. Not bad. This is beautiful. I just like to go with the brush. There's no product in it, the contour brush. I didn't take any new product, but just to shape it even more nicer, just take that brush again, wipe off all the excess powder. Yo guys, I love this bronzer. It's really, really beautiful. I really, really do like it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to highlight. For highlighting, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Patricia Brights palette. I'm going to use this highlighter in this palette. First, I'm going to take a little bit of the highlighter and do my inner corner, just to make sure that my inner corner is a little bit awake because my eyes feels like it's still sleeping. Just gonna take a little bit of that and do my eyebrow as well, just a little bit. Okay, that was way too much. This highlighter is pigment, so you always have to be careful how much you put. Oh, that was way too much. That was way too much. I'm just gonna blend it out. Actually, guys, this contour here is what I use to. That's what I use on my eyes. Okay, so I use this Patricia Bright contour palette, the brown shadow. That's what I use to highlight my. That's what I use to do my eyes. That's what I use it as an eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take this and kind of highlight my notes. I like to go in with my finger and just blend smoothly like that. So now it's time to do the cheekbone. I'm just gonna take this Aliexpress brush. Ooh, you guys see that? It's so beautiful. I love it. I like to bring my highlighter right in here, like when the sun hit my face, it's just like bam. Yes, everything is set. I love the bronzer, it's beautiful. So now let's set the face. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Spray. This is the Matte Fix. I'm going to use this to set. So Team Fullest, this is the finished result. I really love this bronzer. It's really nice. I love the packaging. It's beautiful. I really do love it. So if you guys have used this bronzer, let me know what you think about it in the comment box. I really like to know your opinions. I love it. I'm definitely going to try this with the Morphe bronzer just to give it a try. This is like €8 or €10, something like that. So we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna do a battle. We're gonna do like the Morphe and the Makeup Revolution Pro and to see which one is the best. But I love it. I really do love it. It's very beautiful. It blends really nice into the skin. I'm happy I pick up the shade because I feel like this shade matches my skin perfectly. If I would have picked the second darker shade, it would have not really shows on my skin, but this one shows on my skin very perfectly. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys on my next video. Dit is again Amy. Vergeet niet te abonneren. Als je vragen hebt, laat mij weten in de commentbox. Alle informatie die je nodig hebt staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Kijk even daar naartoe. Geef deze video duim omhoog. En vergeet niet te abonneren als jij bent nog steeds niet geabonneerd. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Dit is again Amy. Doeg. Bye bye.